guys, welcome back to my channel. So I went outside to the mall, which I haven't done in a long time. Normally I go in, but I never buy anything. I do have to go to Target, but the Target is like a 15 to 20 minute drive from my house, so I'm probably going there first and then to the mall, because I really do want to get those cookies. But that's not the only reason. I really wanted to get headphones. I was gonna originally buy them on Amazon. The headphones I'm talking about, I have AirPods, but AirPods, this thing, but Bluetooth, just Bluetooth headphones in general, they die so quickly. So like you have to always recharge them. So I wanted to get the over the head ones, but not Bluetooth, because again, you got to recharge it. I want to get the ones that, the wired ones basically. So I wanted to originally buy it on Amazon, but I was like, it's probably going to be a little bit more costly when I could just go into Target and probably get it at a cheaper rate. So I'm going into Target. I did have some before, but one of the ears is not working. So I may got the same exact ones. They're Sony headphones and they work pretty well. Or I might get another brand. I don't know yet. And I want to get those cookies. So if you saw my Partake Vox box, the cookies that I got, the vegan cookies, I want to get them in like the flavor that I got for free. And I want to get them in like probably 2 other flavors, because my siblings, like, they ate all of them. So they like them too. So I was like, I might as well just buy. So cross my fingers that they actually have some in the Target, because sometimes you go into the Target and you're like, oh, I'm going to get this stuff, and they don't have it in there. But anyway, so it's currently Sunday. I feel like the week just like breezes, like, well, the weekend breezes like this. Like, how is it Monday already? And it's already like, I think that time is wrong. Is it 10? Was the time changed? Yeah, it's 10. Yeah, it's about to be 10, like 4 minutes into 10 a.m. I'll go ahead and wash these dishes first, and then I'll probably do the smoothie. I mean, I thought I was going to talk about something. Oh, I didn't post on Friday because honestly, I had something that I was going to film. I mean, I filmed half of it, but then I realized, I was like, oh, I want to do like a 2-week difference. I got a product from a brand, so that video is not going to come until probably next week. So that failed. And then I had no other video ideas, to be really honest with you guys. I know I pride myself on being consistent, but I just didn't have any other ideas. So oh, I forgot to mention, yay, got 1,000. Thank you guys for getting me to 1,000. I'm just gonna make a smoothie. We're gonna go the healthy route, because I did buy some smoothie blends and stuff like that I haven't finished yet. So I want to finish them. So we're gonna have, I'm trying to make the smoothie filling enough, because I feel like sometimes when I have just smoothies, I don't feel filled, and then you're like, especially if you're walking around, I don't know if that happens to you guys. Now in the pandemic, I probably feel like I go to less stores if and when I do go outside. But when I was going to the mall, sometimes I would be in the mall for like 3-4 hours, because you know there's multiple stores, and then sometimes it's also the weight of the line. So you kind of like, if you really want the thing, you'll stay in the line. Like, for example, Bath and Body Works, which I don't go often, but like if they're having a bigger sale, sometimes we go in there, and you're on a long line, so then you start getting hungry. So I don't know how fun this is, but we'll see. I'm gonna see what I have. Milk. This is the almond milk. So we drink, well, I drink this, sometimes my sister, but it's really me. This is the, oh, this is unsweetened one. No wonder it tastes like, so I like the vanilla. This is unsweetened, so it's the really, really healthy one. But yeah, so that's that. So I actually do have some banana. I thought I didn't. So I had purchased these earlier last year. I can't remember exactly when. I would go for November or so. I don't know. Don't quote me on it. This one is almost done. As you guys can see, like, there's only this left. I just got this out of random because I was like, I wouldn't want to say, I'm not on a keto or, oh, you guys can't see me. I'm not on keto or anything, but I just thought it was interesting to try this. This is a keto berry blend. It's okay, like, It's like acquiring taste, but I was able to drink it. It's keto berry blend, raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, and avocado together from Dole. I normally buy Dole fruits, like when we get the frozen fruits, that brand. But I'm not gonna do this one because I know for sure my sister doesn't like this, and so I'm not gonna make those. But yeah, I have a little bit more left, so I definitely want to finish this. The good thing about frozen fruits, they last a little longer. See, this doesn't expire until next year, but I'm sure I'm gonna finish it. It's just me remembering to use it, and it's only 80 calories for this. But again, this is the keto one, so it's a little bit healthier, if you will. You're just gonna use this Dole. This is the bigger bags that we normally buy, the mixed fruits. Left here is like mangoes, strawberries, and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna mix it. Normally we have the bigger, so this is the NutriBullet. Normally we have the bigger one, but sometimes the small one is just like just enough. So I'm not putting any spinach, but you can do that with, some people do that with their smoothies, so you can kind of have your vegetables, but you can also just eat it too. Just eat your vegetables, but not a lot of people like to eat vegetables. So, and I just applied the silk milk, so I'm gonna go ahead. Like normally I use this big one, but normally this is more so I feel like when you're cooking something and you want to really blend it, because even with the small one works just fine for 2 people. I feel like if you're blending a smoothie. Now if you're blending it for like 5 people, then yes, the bigger one comes in handy. Or if you're making like multiple smoothies, for example, throughout the day, to have a bunch of them, like pre-made smoothies, then yes. But
I feel like they only let you bring whatever you buy.
so I don't play with copyright, so that's why there's no volume. I had to take off the volume because I don't want no copyright. But I was in Target, as you guys saw, and I was actually looking for an eye primer because I find that as time goes on, when I do eyeshadows, for some reason by the end of the day it starts to like fade away. The color always fades away. So I was trying to find a primer. I ended up buying the one that I show you guys here, the NYX one, which I'll show you next later. But there's actually, Elf actually has an eye primer, so maybe I'll try that in the future. But I already bought the NYX one, so I found out after. But looking through Elf's stash, there was no, that particular eyeshadow primer wasn't there. They didn't have it in stock, so that's what I was kind of going through the aisles looking for mostly. Guys, so the day is pretty much over. It's already 4 o'clock. I didn't vlog too much stuff. I did go to the Target, which I showed you guys, and then I went to Bath and Body Works, and I have the stuff, but kind of put it in the other closet, so I can't really show you, and I don't feel like going back upstairs, to be honest. But I will show you. I just got a couple of body gels or body washes because they had a sale for 3 buy 3 get 2 free of body gels. And I just bought a hand sanitizer, like the mini ones, because I need one. So I got the aromatherapy natural essential oils eucalyptus plus tea. And this is just a small, you know, the small ones that they normally have. Hope you guys can see that. So I got that mini hand sanitizer. So I got the NYX Professional Makeup, the Marshmallow Primer. So I'm gonna try that out. And I just got some cotton rounds because I use them when I do my when I use my toner. And then, like I said, I wanted to get the headphones, so I found this one. And of course they had all the things like tied up, which rightfully so, all the electronics, so I had to have somebody to open them. But I got the Skull Candy turned in, turned up. I wanted the one with specifically the cord, so I got these. so hopefully they last me for a long time. And then I just got them in the color black because there was very few, honestly, of like these headphones. A lot of them were like more so that were out were for kids, and the other ones were like the more expensive brands like Beats and stuff. And I honestly didn't want to purchase a Beats or something because I already have AirPods 1 and 2. I felt like me getting a Beats wasn't necessary, so I just got the Skull Candy brand. I became tired. I did buy some Thai food. If you ever had any chicken pad Thai, if you haven't, you should try it. It tastes really good. And I just finished eating. I only had half, not even half, maybe less than half. They gave a lot, so I have some to save me, like leftover even for tomorrow. And I also had some frozen yogurt because I haven't had that in a while. But yeah, so I actually have something to do. I want to edit this vlog so it can go up for tomorrow because this is on my phone and I got to edit everything together. But that's all for today. I'll see you guys on Wednesday's video, which hopefully will be the influencer unboxing. I'm just waiting for the box to get here, to be honest. I'm always like searching like this through my door because a lot of the carriers, I don't know, since the pandemic, I feel like a lot of the carriers have just been really like nonchalant. It's not even nonchalant, what's the word? Like they don't even care. They just drop your package and don't ring doorbells. So I'm always looking out for my packages, but I have not seen anything. So my guess is that it's probably gonna come tomorrow, which is Monday. So we'll see. But anyway, make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. The day's practically over, so I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the day. I may or may not come back. I probably won't. So if I don't, see you guys in the next one.